Terminator.
Not a man, machine, Terminator. Underneath it's a hyper-alloy combat chassis.
I was inspired by this movie, living in Iraq through the war, seeing a lot of disabled people, that inspired me to make humans half machine.
How does it feel?
Oh, it feels bloody awesome.
It looks awesome. Sorry, you're just an object.
What we're doing here is cutting edge technology. It's helping people to walk again as close as possible to normality. It's pretty much like science fiction.
There's a titanium rod that inserts directly into the bone. That's what allows osseointegration, where the bone grows on the metal.
Osseointegration technology involving
Oh, puppy.
titanium implant inside the skeleton, allowing the bone to grow on the implant and becomes one part.
I'm a
Hey.
structural engineer, so the
Oh.
concept actually made sense to me. The weight's taken through the bone, everything's supposedly lays how it's supposed to. So it made sense to me on a functional level, but I never would have thought I would have got the function out of my life that I've got back.
10% of my patients
Oh.
and another 10% is as a result of infections.
I was diagnosed with bone cancer, and then after 6 months of chemotherapy, surgery, amputation, and survived.
The vast majority of patients that I see are trauma, whether motor vehicle accidents or war injured.
I got injured in 2010 in Afghanistan. I lost both my legs and my right arm on a bomb. I've had these legs now 2.5 weeks post-op, and I've been walking